Hello, welcome to Josh's Garage. It's winter here in Utah, and what better to talk about today than taking a shower out on a trail somewhere in the middle of summer with wilderness surrounding you. So I thought I'd show you how to build this really simple outdoor shower that I've built out of a military water can, a 12-volt submersible pump with shower head, and a chair foot, a rubber chair foot. And to put all this together, you just need a razor blade. So I'll show you how to put it together really quickly. I don't use this as much as a shower on the trail. I use it more for hand washing or dishwashing, but you can totally use it for a shower. If you've seen my video about running water in the Jeep, you know I installed running water in the bumper of my Jeep and this whole pretty complex setup, which worked great and that was fun. But now that I'm overlanding in a Raptor, I don't have a bumper that holds water, and I was trying to figure out a simple way to have running water on the trail. So what's simpler than 3 pieces? So it starts with this military surplus can. I noticed these cans. This is a plastic water can. Military property of the US government. You can pick these up at surplus stores or Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for this piece and this piece. And this piece you'll just have to go take off a chair. But I noticed this can had a hole in the top to pour out of, but I wondered, could I install something through that hole that would allow me to pump water out? And then I found these submergible pumps. These 12-volt pumps have this nice submergible pump, and they're battery operated. So you can charge them while you're going down the road. And I have a little USB in the back of my truck cap. So I'll just throw this USB in the back of my truck cap. This will just hang there and charge. And when I'm ready to use it, I will just plug it in like so. And here's how it all goes together. First step, we're going to remove this water line from the pump and create 2 separate pieces. So now we have our battery unit. So we'll take the battery pack off. And I've trimmed down, I don't know if the camera's going to focus, but I've trimmed down the edge, the wings of this little plug so that it'll fit through nicely. So first step is plumb this guy through. Well, maybe I haven't trimmed it so nicely. Okay, plumb this through like so, and the pump's gonna drop in the bottom. The next step is to take the shower and the water line and run it back down through the hole like this, and then put them together back the way it was. This is a little bit tight, so it takes a little finagling. Okay. Like so. So now this is coming out, the hose is coming in, and then you just submerge it. Let's see. So it's kind of like dropping a bobber when you're fishing. Hit the bottom, pull it up a little bit, and then you just close the lid like so. When I first used it, I noticed there was a problem. There's a place where water can leak or splash, or dirt can get in, dust from the trail, which it did both ways. So what I've then done is take just a little rubber chair foot, cut it in 1/3, and then I've trimmed a little bit on the inside, and it wedges down so nicely right around this water tube and right up against this. It creates a not watertight seal, you couldn't dump it over, but it'll definitely prevent any splashing or dust from coming in. Let's see if it works. All right, we've got our shower basin. We'll plug in our 12-volt pump and movie magic. Look at that. Now this battery will last longer than 5 gallons will last. So you can have a much larger tank and use this battery. I will actually charge this one time in a weekend, just on the way out to the trail, and it's good. So let's see if it works outside. Oh, hey there. How's it going? You get, I put this on my overlay. Oh, hey babe.
I'm just bringing you
Thank you.
a smoothie.
A smoothie in the middle of production.